totoong buhay, maging sa internet, dapat alam natin ang tamang etiquette. Ito po ang mga dapat ginagawa kapag gumagamit ng social media.
Responsible online communication and etiquette. Being responsible in all the words you type in when communicating with others online is a crucial thing. This is where your emotions and the main message you want to convey to them will be perfectly interpreted by them. Yes, it is hard to communicate online, but with careful actions, we can maintain this good communication and avoid any forms of miscommunications. Thinking before you click is one crucial thing as well. Anyone can see it online, so be careful on everything you click on your phone. Always think ahead of the present and overthink all the positive and negative consequences of your actions, and by this, you can also maintain a safe environment and good image online.
Totoong napapadali at napapalawak ng internet at social media ang buhay natin. Pero tandaan, sa bawat aspeto ng buhay, kailangang may mga alituntunin tayong sinusundan. Maging responsable ng sa gayon ang paggamit natin ng internet, maging makabuluhan at hindi mauwi sa kapahamakan.